I always wait for pullback to initiate a position. Big sell.
Test.
Big sell. Big buy.
So Microsoft news. Let's say again. Microsoft lowers AI software sales quotas. And that's the reason for this sharp dump. Prior to that, a big snooze fest. Nothing was happening until the news came out and we dropped 230 points. A little bit of an overreaction, if you ask me, but that might be the theme for today. Maybe we will find a bounce back up and it's not that big of a deal later in the day. But now we have to work with what we got. So, actually, I opened I screen share my journal now. Why is it not? Oh, there you go.
Never commit all your
Okay.
capital at once.
Never commit all of your capital at once,
NQ,
yeah.
-2 touch.
-2 touch. Weekly Vwap is gonna be touched now. Anyways, let's see my journal. Today's DRC. Daily report card, December 3rd. Check Forex Factory. Checking. We had ADP non-farm employment change earlier today, then PMI is in at the top of the hour, and then Trump speaks later today. Don't care about that, so boom. I will probably have to wait for the news to clear, unless there's something in the open that is screaming at me. So far we are at weekly Vwap, and so, but anyway, let's go top down. Number 1, TPO chart. We yesterday opened up, went and traversed this distribution right here, the 2-day distribution, and surprise, surprise, we rejected at the value area high of this distribution. Today we spent a lot of time in the upper half of it, sold off again from the top of this distribution, and because of Microsoft we are violently going down. Does that mean we're gonna continue going down? I don't know. I'm not gonna guess. I will just react to what is happening on the delta, on the bands, stuff like that. So this seems to be a key rejection point. We are leaving this distribution behind. Could we get a little retest of this line in the sand that I already have, which was here since yesterday, 520s mark. Just gonna quickly put it down here. Aligns with today's -1. So if we are imbalanced down for the day, trending down, then usually retests of -1 to continue pushing up is something that I would like to look for. Now, what else? 520s is marked. On the monthly is the same as weekly, by the way, but regardless, we were edging previous month's high. Rejected it because of Microsoft news, sold off to monthly, weekly Vwap. Ultimately, we could traverse value. If there is some legs to it, we could also go to the -2. So now it's a good spot, weekly Vwap, monthly Vwap, to see where we are going to head. If we're gonna see signs of rejection at the open of the weekly Vwap, maybe that's gonna be a good short opportunity as well. Something like this could be nice, or something like this could be nice too. Current week and months value high, 588. 588, where is that gonna be? 588 is yesterday's point of control as well, so that's a good spot to gauge. I will definitely leave this be for now. I guess same applies for the week, because they are the same at the moment. So we are definitely above prior week value, so that's a bullish sign in itself. Look what happened here. We found a bid at weekly Vwap and we bounced up. Will this happen today? Maybe. Maybe not. Currently it looks like we are finding bid from this point. 420s. Well, let's see what's gonna happen.
The real game doesn't start until you can say with full conviction, no single trade can take me out.
Thank you, Derek. That's the name for my guy that I will refer to him from now on, Derek. So, continuing with the journal. TPO monthly, weekly, main levels. Gonna paste this right here. Main levels are 520s. Reoffer number 2. 590s. Reoffer. So this will be, the first one will be value area low. Reoffer, since we're heading down, that would be a good spot. Prior day POC plus and value high for the week. Good reoffer. Potential bids. One sec. Where would I like to see some bids though? Well, this distribution is kind of meh because it's Thanksgiving, holidays, 2-day, 3-day even of no action, so I just combine them together, but I don't see much in it. Honestly, I would like to see something like that, even 2560s or 2350, but that's quite wait a minute, 25,350. This is 300 points down. Yeah, I'm not sure how realistic that would be. Something like that for a bid would be interesting. Yeah, that's all I got. Boom. So bid 525 060s, bid CV high. Yeah. 350s, bid weekly -1. Market bias. What would be my market bias? Recent rejection of this value indicates bearish action to me. So I would say more bearish than bullish. But anything can happen. I will react. That's it. Okay, so this is done. This week has been pretty good in terms of execution. P&L obviously also. Win percentage is 42%. But net P&L is 3R, which is nice to see. Almost 3R. Regardless, the focus is on the correct execution. Alright. 4 minutes until the open. Let me set everything up. I want to enable weekly alerts, weekly Vwap alerts.
I am not losing money. I am spending it.
I'm spending it, that's right. It's just an expense. Yeah, we enabled weekly alerts as well. Let's see if it's gonna be of any help. Sometimes I get blinded. This is an interesting spot for a reoffer. 2500, I mean 500 psych level as well. It's slowly shifting more down. 520s is a good spot for a reoffer, but yeah, we are above weekly Vwap. Cumulative delta is quite strong here. We went from minus 700 to plus 300. Cannot really ignore that. Let's mark this. Start of this sell-off is right here. This sell-off wasn't really that violent, was it? 1500 delta. And now we recovered back up. So let's see, it feels like just a quick reaction. I need to wait for RTH, I need to wait for some structure. I need to keep in mind the bias that I've set up for myself. To not go against it, not go with the strengths of buyers or the strengths of sellers. Even if my bias for the day is bearish, if I see bullish signs, I should go with it. Alright. This is definitely an uneventful day. It was like 66 RWAL up until this point. Now it's 95.
Big buy.
Okay, we are open. Need to reset my delta. Let's see what happens. Is my trade account good to go? Yes. Looks like it. The weekly Vwap alert didn't go off for some reason.
Big sell.
Wait. It's
Big
Vwap
sell.
because it's I don't have it for Vwap. Okay, 500 seems to be selling off. That's where -1 was for the day. I do reset my shit at RTH. I'm not sure, maybe that's not a good idea, but that's how it is. $520s, that's the value high. Coincides with this little swing low. RTH
Big
Vwap
buy.
right here. Okay. It's a strong candle. Strong buying candle. It's Interesting
Think in
sign.
probabilities, not certainties.
We're above +2 on RTH Vwap, but obviously we're 1 minute. 1 minute into the session. What am I seeing right now? Opened. Retest of weekly Vwap. Is this what's happening? Pumped to +2, -1. I mean, it's too early, but still. It's good gauge. It's a good read. It's good to practice the read. I mean, regardless how big of a range is, which is 56 points at the moment. Looks like we are finding bid at the weekly Vwap. Delta is +400. That's pretty strong. +600 already. From this point onward, I'll be looking. We're at +2 and the CVA low. Are we just gonna buy it back up? So far it's pretty balanced node. Don't know how much volume is in it really, but
big buy.
The POC is about to shift here. We see there is some sign of struggle and a bit of a rejection. Volume is at 400. I mean delta. We're at +1 on the RTH. If this is a move up, imbalanced move up, then it should hold. It's not holding, it looks like. What's happening on the dome?
Big sell.
On the dome, so we pushed up.
Bias check-in. What is the current outlook? Are you trading what is? Are we imbalanced
From 600 delta to 200 now.
Is Vwap holding?
Not very.
NQ, -1 touch.
Not very good for the buyers, I suppose. Although this is a good spot to buy, -1 if the direction is up. But maybe we go back inside of this distribution. I mean the CVA low.
Big sell.
Wouldn't mind trying something like a buy right here. Let's see.
Big sell.
Two buys. Where are the rest of the buyers here?
Big buy.
Oh jeez, I almost spilled my coffee. There's quite a bit of offers here getting filled on the domes. So 300. Okay. I mean, if this doesn't give, then maybe the play is into the downside actually. Look how it's quite strong buying here, but it's not budging so far. Wouldn't mind trying a little sell. We continuation lower, but we are
Most
above
traders
weekly
think they
Vwap.
lose because their analysis is wrong. That's not it. They lose because their position is wrong.
Thank you, Derek. So we
Big
a
buy.
lot of buying. Ooh, stacking some bids
sell.
here that got violently
buy.
hit. I wouldn't mind trying something like that. Position is wrong. Oh, I got filled in Narnia before the spreads are crazy. Looks like it will be a quick stop out. I'm not gonna move my stops. I'm not going to do anything. I will take my L, take 10 minutes break, and then keep sticking to the rules, sticking to the plan. Plus 500, the delta is climbing, but we're still holding. Not really driving. Okay, I got a little something out of it. Probably the rest is gonna be at break even. We're at -2 now. Some bids bidding up. Some bids showing up, I mean.
NQ, -2 touch.
Feels like I'm gonna get stopped here. Unless they hold this -1 and continue pushing down. Oh, I have to hold it. Stop is at break even. The news are in 20 minutes, by the way. It would be nice if this -1 held, but looking at the slope of the bands, it doesn't really look sloped. Okay, I'm gonna get stopped. I'm happy with this trade. That was a bit shady. And now I have 10 minutes break to cool off. Let it move. And see what happens after the news.
I always wait for pullback to initiate a position.
Yesterday, in the first 10 minutes of the open, we had 2.2k positive delta. Today, in the first 15 minutes, maximum was 580. So far, they're trying to battle it out. I don't know. It's hard to tell. Even with this AI news, that doesn't mean shit, in my opinion. Some reduced sales quota on Microsoft AI, like what? And because of that, market pukes to 130 points. So just need to wait it out, honestly, for the market to find a direction. We are above, technically above weekly Vwap, so that's line in the sand, so to speak. What am I not seeing right now, is the question. Again, some buying attempts. It's just two-way trade. We're still positive delta on the day, plus 500. Since the open, I mean, since this peak on the price, we weren't able to get past it. and the price is lower.
Turn FOMO into
So that's a
JOMO.
bit of a
Joy of missing
bear
out.
sign, I would say, if I'm honest. Oh, Derek, sorry, what did you say? FOMO into JOMO. That's right. Yeah, honestly, not convinced by the buyers here. My line in the sand is still holding. That's good context to keep in mind so I don't get roped into something else, and keep the bias in mind. I mean, how many attempts are buyers going to make here? Well, okay, maybe it's not. It's just two-way trade in a tight range. Up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, and then the range is the same. Up, down, up, down, up, down. But I mean, it's contracting from both sides, no? So just need to wait to see what's gonna happen. Let it move a little. I'm still on the break anyway, so I can't really trade. I got a piece, a dodgy piece, but still. So we went from 580 to 200 delta now.
NQ, -1 touch.
Still holding Vwap, but yeah, back and forth, back and forth. It's tightening up. Delta went from 160 something to 200 again. It feels like the vibe is down, but
Never let a single position decide your future.
Approaching delta neutral. I mean, there was some buying potential here. There's still some bids here. If
Big sell.
I saw this stacking of these bids before. That's what's holding the market right now. But for the market, for them to start getting rewarded, there needs to be some upward momentum. And we are neutral.
Big sell.
Oh, big sell. Minus 300 instantly. Minus 400. Yeah. Okay, well, at this rate I need to wait for the PMI to clear. 7 minutes. Don't want to sell under -2 anyway. Maybe a retest of weekly Vwap could be nice, actually. Coinciding with this, something like boom and boom. That sounds interesting. Or maybe this was a stop run and it's gonna reverse now. Usually when you get from 0 to 400 in an instant, that's a stop run of sorts. And then there is no follow through either. That's not a very good sign for continuation down. And we are back to 0. RTH Vwap is right here. Above weekly Vwap. Yeah. So was this a stop run? Regardless, need to wait for the news to clear. Some bits on the dome. Just narrating, not going to really put any positions. Not yet convinced by the buyers either. I think people are just waiting for the news. Because of max delta of 600, I don't know, it just doesn't look like a lot.
Taking a small loss is not punishment. It's protection.
Thank you, Derek. Words of wisdom here. Okay. Need to pay closer attention to these highs and lows. So we sold off from here and then reclaimed way above it, but the delta is neutral. That doesn't look like strong buying, but at the same time, if we sell off to like here or here even, but then here it goes up to this point, not up to this point, then there is potential to go up from here, like back up to +2 or something. Now we're just at neutral delta. We had a quick dip under and back to zero.
Big buy.
Big buy. Okay. Pretty good. Okay, news, crazy spread, etc.
Big buy.
Okay.
NQ, +1
Alright,
touch.
shit. Guess the move is up then. Or?
Big sell.
The line in the sand is still holding. Went from -500 to +500 again. We are definitely rotational. Vwap
My process is a better trader
seems
than
to
I am.
be crisscrossed without much of a consideration. The volume profile also is kind of balanced. Some strong buying here. Gonna start tracking it from like the low.
Big buy.
We're
buy.
back into the distribution from yesterday, are we not? Yep. Let's see if there is some acceptance here. We are above +2 already, so that's a good sign for buyers. Delta, oof, 1500. Approaching weekly +1.
Big sell. Big sell.
Yeah, so far nothing for me.
NQ, +2 touch. Big sell.
So a line in the descent retest could be interesting. coincides with +1.
Trade without fear or overconfidence.
Let's see if I can find an entry here. If we're going to slice through.
Bias check-in. What is the current outlook? Are you trading what is?
Refresh bid
Are we
ask.
imbalanced / trending or rotational? Is Vwap holding?
Definitely some absorption on the footprint. The slope is getting flat. I'm not sure if that's a good sign or not. I like the wick here, but I mean, this is the line in the sand. Well, I am in now. Outside of my control. 1100. Is this gonna be a quick stop? Stop ticked me and reject? Or it happens. Quick stop. Okay, I have another 10 minutes break. This was a interesting slice through. Maybe I mistimed it. Anyway, nothing I can do. I'm not gonna chase it. I'm not gonna re-entry. I tried and didn't work, so that's it.
NQ, +1 touch. I always walk away after my DLL is hit.
Okay, not very good for buyers. Or is it? Just looking at this wick right here. It didn't give. Vwap seems to be holding though. I don't see a lot of buying. Honestly, a bit weird. Vwap holding, but okay. Some nice buying. We're
Once I
still
learned to size
below
properly, the
+1.
noise disappeared. I could sit, watch, and wait without fear. That's when trading stopped feeling like a gamble and started feeling like a profession.
Thank you, Derek.
NQ, +1 touch.
Got some strong buying for sure. +600 delta. This is what I wanted to see here, but we bounced at Vwap instead. Happens. From here, from this buying, from this selling, it's definitely less than where the price is. Kind of the same. I guess this was the retest of going back into the value. Don't really have the clarity. +2 just got rejected. +1 just got retested. I mean, technically, again, the retest here would be nice, no? Continuation. Like here, this leg up, down to continue pushing higher. I'm okay to trade. Might be my last trade for the day though, if I get filled. I'm selling, but +1 seems to be holding, no? What is Dom telling me? We're almost at this point, but the price is higher, so that sounds like absorption to me, but
freedom in speculation isn't about having no limits. It's about knowing exactly where your limits are and being perfectly at peace within them.
Thank you very much, Derek. That's not something I expected, but I mean, we're back in value. I don't want it anymore, that's for sure. Or do I? Is this another Vwap test? I mean, we sold off from 1300 to 600. Maybe something like that. Is a change of character. I would have been in right now. We went up, but so from here, from this little sell-off,
plus one touch.
We went up, but the buying wasn't very strong, was it? So we have this little trend line, whatever, something like that. Wouldn't mind going short 20s. Vwap hell though, that's the problem. I'd like us to cross this and go to -2 maybe. So from this sell-off, we're almost back here, but on the delta not so much. Like, look at this 800 delta. Wouldn't mind trying short. I'll keep this for visual reference. Maybe. I wouldn't mind something like that. And I'm instantly in. Probably gonna be my last one though. Looks like it's not driving. This push down did not equate to what I wanted to see. Yeah, this doesn't look good anymore. I wanted some follow through here. Looks like it's gonna be a quick stop again. Or
Never commit all your capital at once.
Thank you, Derek. Would love to see a bit more selling here, I'll be honest. The buying is weak, the selling is weak. I'm gonna get stopped. I mean, so we went down here. Let me remove these lines. This was a change of character. This buy up equates to this. But then this selling was absorbed, which is not a very good sign. There is some saving grace here for my position. Let's see if it's going to follow through.
Plus one touch.
True. Unlikely. I have to remind myself that anything can happen. Okay, this selling is not equating to it's not equating to more movement in price. That means usually that means absorption. I mean, I have to hold it though, right? I was 6 points away from the stop out, so should I quickly close it at break even? No. It is going in my favor. Can it reverse right now and go and stop me out? Absolutely. I mean, this looks in my favor, but I don't know, go to delta neutral would be nice.
You need to insert conscious thought into your trading.
I am trying to do that with this live stream, Derek. Thank you. We have some sort of a wedge here. Is this a bullish flag? Yeah, I could have taken one. I'm willing to not do that. Hold it a bit longer. Give up. Is it gonna hold third time?
Big buy.
Stop me out.
Big buy.
What the fuck just happened?
Big buy.
Oh, what in the fuck? Oh, what is this?
Big sell. Big buy. Big buy.
Some crazy
buy.
buying coming in.
Big sell.
Why though? What happened?
Big buy.
What happened here? Whoa. In any case, I'm out at break even, so I can do one more trade if something shows up. Don't want to stretch it.
Big buy. Big buy.
Well,
NQ,
that
plus
is
2 touch.
something that is just phenomenal. This is what we call anything can happen. Sell off, continuation, and then something came in and the tape started
Big buy.
blasting like crazy. I'll take 10 minutes break.
NQ, weekly plus 1 touch. Big sell. Big buy. I take 10 minutes break after every trade. Big buy. Big sell. Big buy. Big sell. Bias check-in. What is the current outlook? Are you trading what is? Are we imbalanced / trending or rotational? Is Vwap holding? Big sell. Turn FOMO into JOMO, joy of missing out. Big sell. NQ plus 2 touch. Big sell. NQ, weekly plus 1 touch. Big sell. I call it a day after 3 losers in a row. Big sell.
Okay, I am back. Not much changed. Hanging around at weekly +1.
process
my long...
instantly and without hesitation.
Yes, thank you. Okay, there I come, not dismissing. I'm sorry. So my original long was here. My target was here. A better entry would have been obviously RTH Vwap that held 3 times. And on the 3rd time we had a crazy explosion of an insane amount of buying. And now we're just back to nothing. We had like 3000 ticks per 15 seconds. Now it's 90. So... What is the higher time frame whispering? Higher time frame is +1 on the week. Daily candle is close to flipping at 606 right here. If we were to cross the distribution, that would be 650s. 650s right here. Shorting, is it a good idea to short? I would be fading this, but every down move starts somewhere, right? Yesterday we had this, and then we had this, and yeah. Oh, that's interesting. 2500 delta level is a good guideline. I'm okay to trade, but I tried shorting. No, what did I try? I had one short, one long, one short, half of it worked out, half of it didn't. One long didn't work out at all. One short, break even. And what now?
NQ, +1 touch.
+1 touch, I mean, that's a good potential buy. Right here, if it were to hold and continue pushing to 650s to traverse the distribution. Am I a bit wary about it? Yes. Should I do it? Looking. Finger on the cancel. What are the chances that we are going to actually do this? I mean, this is a decently strong candle, but not after this flush, or delta is 21,000, 2100. This little dump down was not on heavy selling, not
cutting losses
Not
instantly
by the looks
and
of
without
it.
hesitation.
I mean, we're back into value. 2200 on the delta. Weekly value is right
Big sell.
here. Is it a good thing to buy here? I'm not sure. If I'm not sure, why do I still have the trade up? I'm not sure. I mean, it shouldn't hang out here for so long. Should not struggle as much, should it? If we are imbalanced up, then it should drive, no? I canceled this last second. Yeah. The reaction should have been faster. Oh, where's the buying? And the buying is not seen. So is it... What's happening here? Is the vibe up or down? I would have been in, but we're under value high. Honestly, if this
Big buy.
goes up and then goes under here,
NQ,
maybe it's a good
plus
short.
one touch.
Okay, buying stepped in. That's a decent candle.
Big buy.
But it's not resulting yet in something substantial. Okay, that's quite a bit of buying. There's still some bids showing up with decent size. POC shifted. Yeah, looking what's going to happen here.
Big sell.
I buy...
There is a random distribution between wins and losses for any given set of variables that define an edge.
Yes, thank you, Derek. We are back at 2500 delta. Do I have a clear read on this? I'm not sure I do. There's no clarity at the moment.
Weekly +1 touch.
So +1's held after all. I think at this point I have to remove my limit cell. Let's keep watching. Not convinced for buyers because we did pump up, but we have divergence right here. So I would like to see some action from the sellers. Maybe now it's a slow grind. Like even this push up from 500 delta to 2500 only resulted in this little push. Okay, little 90 points, but doesn't look that impressive.
Big sell.
I mean, definitely selling here doesn't make sense anymore because all this selling has been bought back up. My original idea of buying here that I chickened out from. Let's see, we have a little engulfing. Never mind. We had more buying than before did not result in a new high. POC is up here now. I mean, if we do a little stop run at the +2, 600.
I
Run
always
the
walk away
stops.
after my DLL is hit.
Give me a retest and traverse the distribution. Maybe that would be something to look out for. Right now it's kind of just...
NQ, plus 1 touch.
Okay, okay. Can we get something going? Maybe either run the high and then go down, or go back into value, retest plus 1 to continue and cross the distribution. How about that? Yeah, a little bit of selling coming in. Again, we're under plus 1. Can the buyers give up? Is this a poor high? No, I guess not. I'm not sure. I have my TPO chart is compressed. Actually, this line right here is the
Big sell.
yesterday's point of control on market profile. So the high wasn't run, we sold off. Can I get a little retest of the 570s? No. Wow, quite strong selling.
Big sell.
Is this the repeat of yesterday? Oh, 570s. Can I get 570s? So I'm gonna start tracking this sell off here. Align it. My line in the sand. I mean, do I care about it, honestly? Clean it up a bit. This looks way too steep right here. So it looks unfinished, like a poor
Big
low high, I mean. We went from 2500 delta to 1800, 1900. Would like a retest of sorts.
Bias check-in. What is the current outlook? Are you trading what is? Are we imbalanced / trending or rotational? Is VWAP holding? I always wait for pullback to initiate a position.
Thank you, Derek, with your words of wisdom. Are we gonna traverse the distribution now? Can you give me a retest? So the buying, so far the buying is not so strong. Would love to see it go a little higher. And then sell off. Some beads appearing again. It's interesting when the offers appear on the move up. I don't... Oh no, never mind. We'll buy some buying coming in. That's good to see.
Big sell.
Maybe it's gonna get shut down. I'm looking if the amount of buying on the delta equates to the similar amount of movement of price. Can we talk 2570 and then continue going down to traverse value? That would be nice. Although I still don't understand what the fuck was this push. I don't have to understand, I'm just saying. So. We are at Vwap. This candle is gonna close soon. The selling is coming in. Whoa, 20 on the offers. Someone bought some interesting amounts. Would love to sell, but give me a bit of a push higher. Simply because of this boom boom. Not very strong buying. Would love a bit of a continuation. Selling at Vwap. Push up and then sell off. That would be nicer. So far Vwap held 1, 2, 3, 4th time. If this holds. Okay, some buying coming in. Doesn't equate into anything at the moment. Okay, okay.
Every moment in the market is
Is
unique.
unique. Okay, we have some buying here. I mean, not a lot.
Big sell.
Big sell just flashed, but did not equate into the similar dip. So I'm not too convinced yet. Some absorption.
Big buy.
Okay, buddy. Okay, buddy. What is this?
Big buy.
Big buy. The bids are supporting, getting filled, blah blah blah. I mean, this is not what I expected. This is quite strong. I mean, that's what I wanted to see in the first place, but not this kind of candle. This is not a good sign. So what should I do?
Big sell.
Okay. In maybe something like that. If the market can take me in.
NQ. Plus one touch.
Plus one touch. But the 70s have been tagged. Yeah. No. The sell is not good in this case. Yeah, look at this buying aggression.
Big sell.
Someone sold 100. Which means someone passively bought 100. Yeah, no, this is not how I wanted it to play out. Vwap is just holding. Unless... No. Can we run this high
The real
and
wealth
then
isn't in
sell
the
off?
money. It's in the clarity that comes after you've lost enough times to stop pretending you're smarter than the market.
Thank you, Derek. And another gem. Oh shit, I was zoning out. What's happening? I think it's time to call it a day. Not concentrating. I think
Big sell.
there's some potential. Still want to cross the distribution. I can want many things, of course, but this fucking Vwap needs to give up. USC is right here. Do want to sell it.
An edge is nothing more than an indication of a higher probability of one thing happening over another.
Thank you. Would this be it? That will be it. Let's illustrate. Instantly 13 points drawdown, that's not a good sign. Yeah, looks like it's gonna be another quick one.
Big sell.
The sell is not equating into the movement. I'm selling right above Vwap. I'm not sure if that's a good idea. But frankly, I'm a bit tired now. Bids getting filled. Supporting price.
NQ, plus one touch.
Okay. I am done. It was not a good idea. But oh well.
Big buy. Big buy. I never dollar cost average. NQ,
Big
weekly
buy.
plus 1 touch.
Yeah, it's pretty strong. So, better buy would have been here probably. Instead of trying to short here, the bought right here. Which aligns with the general movement. With Vwap holding 4 times. Strong delta. This high that should be cleaned up. Yeah. Just wrong on the direction. The whole day has been tough, honestly. So I'm happy to walk away now. At 1.5 hour instead of
Big sell. Big sell.
instead of trying to force more. Okay, let's see. My journal. 4 trades, 1.5 hour. Whatever. I'm happy to walk away. Just did not find a good direction this week. Average loss to average win is good. I'm happy with that.
Big buy.
Today's DRC.
Big sell.
Let's grab a screenshot of the day. 4 trades. The first one I got half off, the rest stopped out. Second one buy off of +1, even in the middle of +1. Well, that's how I roll. I don't want to buy off of limit orders and hope for the best. Stopped out. Honestly, in hindsight, Vwap held once, twice, 3 times, perhaps.
Big buy.
Perhaps this was a good trade, but instead I shorted +1. And then got stopped out at break even though I could have grabbed half off, but I expanded my limit order. Oh well. And then this one is, yeah, I don't know what I was thinking. Honestly, after this pump up, I thought, okay, point of control, value high, there's some rejection going on, a small candle, positive candle. I thought, okay, maybe it's gonna turn, and then it clipped me in, literally bottom ticked me, and then ran. So maybe I should, I don't know. This fill is crazy bad, but okay.
Big buy.
Yeah, hindsight again. Fighting this, probably not the best idea. Well, I'm happy to leave here. Honestly, on a different day without my risk management tools and without the breaks, I feel like I would have gotten chopped up even badlier than this. So 1.5 hour day in the minus is nothing. I'm showing the wrong screen, by the way, whatever. I'm not a streamer. So end of the screenshot. Review. Mental game is good. Technical game. Yeah. B or C? B. Not too bad, but what did I do well today? Mental game was good. Stuck to all my rules.
An edge is nothing more than an indication of a higher probability of one thing happening over another.
Thank you, Dirk. What could I improve on? What's my line in the cent? 520s. Line in the cent. Hold up. So here was my line in the sand, and once we got up, it was all bid, so perhaps my line in the sand should be respected more. Like right here was my line in the sand, right here, and once we got above it, maybe I should have changed my direction, and I did. I tried buying here, but then I tried selling here because of this and because of this. Thought we were gonna traverse the distribution, but we did not.
Big sell.
Finally here, another thought of traversing distribution, but we never did. Vwap held 3 times.
NQ plus 2 touch. Big sell.
Yeah. This was a tell to not look for shorts. So yeah, there are a few things to work on. Line in the sand should be respected more. It played out well today, but I still looked for shorts above it when we entered and accepted into
big buy
a CVA. Okay. What else? What else? What else? Taking half off at 1 hour? Question mark. Sometimes I am moving it out more. Split. Move PPs. Okay. As reviewed. That's it. %50 win rate. Best day for our max drawdown 11. Largest lot 6R. Yeah, there's some work to do. Anyways, I'm done. GG.